Hidden in the shadowy depths of India's remotest wilderness lies one of the world's greatest living enigmas, a tribe untouched by time, technology, and the modern world. In this journey, we step as close as we dare to uncover the truth behind a civilization that has resisted contact for thousands of years. This is not just a story of survival, it's a story of mystery, culture, and the fragile boundary between two worlds. Join me as we explore the secrets of India's last uncontacted tribe, a people who remain veiled in silence, yet speak volumes through their continued existence. Deep in the heart of the Indian wilderness, there exists a tribe that has managed to remain untouched by the outside world. This enigmatic tribe, hidden from the prying eyes of modern civilization, continues to thrive in isolation. Their existence is a testament to the country's rich cultural diversity and a reminder of the many secrets that still lie hidden in the vast expanse of the Indian wilderness. The Indian government has put in place measures to protect them, but their way of life remains shrouded in mystery. The moment outside contact is made with such a tribe, their way of life is forever changed, and not always for the better. Diseases to which we have built up immunity can be deadly to them, and their very survival is threatened. The introduction of modern technology and ideas can disrupt their traditional practices and social structures, leading to a loss of cultural heritage. It's a delicate balance between preserving their way of life and ensuring their safety and well-being. Their isolation is both a blessing and a curse, protecting them from the dangers of the modern world, but also preventing them from accessing medical care and other benefits. The Sentinelese, as they are sometimes referred to, have a history that stretches back thousands of years. Their origins are shrouded in mystery, and several theories have been proposed to explain their presence on these islands. Some believe they are descendants of the first humans to migrate out of Africa, while others think they might be a group that was isolated during the last ice age. What is certain, however, is their remarkable ability to survive without modern technology. They have developed skills and strategies that allow them to live off the land, creating tools, hunting, and gathering food in a way that has sustained them for generations. Their culture is a fascinating glimpse into a way of life that is rapidly disappearing. In 2006, two Indian fishermen accidentally drifted onto the island and were killed by the Sentinelese. This event highlighted the risks and challenges involved in contacting such tribes. It also underscored the importance of respecting their isolation and the need for caution in approaching them. The Indian government has since reinforced the policy of leaving them alone, a decision that has sparked debate among anthropologists and conservationists. Some argue that understanding and studying these tribes is crucial for their preservation, while others believe that isolation is the key to their survival. This incident served as a stark reminder of the complexities and ethical dilemmas surrounding the issue of uncontacted tribes. India's last uncontacted tribe remains a mystery, a window into a past we thought we knew. Their way of life is fragile, threatened by both the outside world and the passage of time. Preserving their culture and ensuring their safety is a challenge that requires careful consideration and deep respect for their desire to remain isolated. The story of India's last uncontacted tribe is a haunting reflection of humanity's ancient roots and a mirror to our modern identity. Their lives, untouched by global change, raise difficult questions about protection, interference, and respect. Are we guardians of their isolation or intruders in their legacy? As their world hangs delicately in balance, one thing is certain. The true mystery is not just who they are, but who we choose to be in relation to them. What are your thoughts on these hidden communities? Should we preserve their seclusion or reach out with aid? Share your perspective in the comments. And if you're drawn to stories that reveal the hidden layers of our world, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.